Why would you want a dedicated 360-degree drone? Isn't it just a gimmick? Putting a 360 camera on a drone is not a new concept. In fact, a few years ago, Insta360 came out with the Sphere, which attached to the DJI Air 2 series drones. But there were several issues with that. Number one was image quality. The 360 footage was noticeably worse than what you'd get from a dedicated camera drone. Secondly, the drone was not designed to carry that extra payload. The flight performance and battery life were both negatively affected. And as with any 360-degree camera, you might be worried about scratching the lenses. There were plastic lens guards that you can attach, but those just caused the added problem of extra reflections as well as even more reduced image quality. Now on the FPV side of things, I've attached a regular 360 camera to my FPV drone before and definitely got some cool shots. But with FPV, the risk of crashing is higher, and also the drone was in the shot most of the time. Now you can buy specialized FPV quads that will make the drone invisible, but FPV is not for everyone. Having a dedicated 360-degree camera drone might be a game changer because even though you can get some drone-like shots with a 360 cam on a selfie stick, obviously you're limited to the length of the stick. And for me, the best kind of 360 shots are generally not too close or not too far away from the subject. So an ideal height for a 360 camera drone might be around 20 to 80 feet in the air, depending on your surroundings. As shown on Antigravity's promo video, you can go under stuff and reframe your shots. Even if you don't have anything interesting above the drone to video, it could be useful for stuff like filming a soccer game where you don't want to miss any of the action. As with any tech gadget, there are always some drawbacks, but since this is a dedicated 360 drone, I'm hoping the flight time will be at least 25 minutes and that the image quality after processing will be just as good as something like a Mini 4 Pro. Also, I'm really hoping that the lenses will be replaceable like the Insta360 X5, and maybe there will be landing gear that will retract after takeoff to avoid scratching lenses. A lot of questions should be answered very shortly, and I'll be watching all the big channels with all of you. There is a lot of excitement around this 360 drone from Antigravity, and I think it's mostly warranted, especially here in the US, where it's kind of difficult to buy DJI these days. And any alternative that you might find, who knows if they're going to be around, the image quality might not be as good, and the software leaves a lot of room for improvement. Well, I'm definitely rooting for this drone, and I'm hoping that it checks all the boxes from flight time, to image quality, to signal strength, flight performance, and software. That's definitely a lot to ask, but I can still wish. Let us know in the comments what you think. Do you think a 360 camera drone could take the place of your regular camera drone, or is it just a gimmick? You might have noticed that I'm using a 360 cam for this video, and that has replaced the GoPro that I might have used otherwise. So I have a feeling that a 360 drone could do at least 80% of a normal camera drone's job, as long as the quality is decent and the flight experience is good, etc. Thanks for watching Ready Set Drone. See you next time.